everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a true X55 code Super Sport. Beautiful car. Car's out of West Virginia. Complete body up restoration. Really nicely done. It's got that pro touring look. Love the color combination, and yes, it's factory. This is an original Dover white car with red vinyl interior. I love that color combo. Beautiful car though. It's got a 400 small block in it, which isn't correct. The car would have came standard with a 350. It's got brand new 18 and 20 inch Billet Specialties all the way around it. New ZR rated rubber. And just a gorgeous car, guys. Really nicely done. Detailed up, very nice. It's got aftermarket vintage heat and AC on it. Pretty car. Paint on the car is nice. You can see they've replaced the bumpers. It's got the front and rear spoilers on it. Correct SS hood on it. You see a couple touch-up marks on it. Restoration's done within the last couple of years. Car's got a great look to it. Nice and straight down the sides. Gotta love this body style. You got the whole car lowered down just a little bit. Super cool set of wheels on it. The only thing the guys are trying to get me to do, Jay walks up, perfect timing. He wanted me to change that stripe to a carbon fiber, which would have been pretty cool, but just kind of left it alone. Front disc brakes, which is standard on the equipment on the Super Sport. Again, it's a 400 cubic inch Chevy small block engine with the GM double hump heads, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds. Look how nice that car is detailed up underneath the hood. Power steering, vintage heat and AC, power front disc brakes. It's got the matching numbers, 350 turbohydrmatic trans, finned aluminum valve covers. There's your trim tag. You should be able to read the X55, which is your true Super Sport code. It's just a fly. I don't think that's a chip or anything. Got a bug just landed on it. Almost just had, we just had an accident out here just a minute ago. We almost had a second one. New mirrors. Those look like original door handles. I love the red interior. bucket seats, console, stock SS steering wheel. 11232 on the odometer. I'm sure that's rolled over. It's not the actual miles. Stock AM radio, but now it's got an aftermarket radio in the dash or in the glove box. Some aftermarket gauges mounted underneath the dash. It's dual exhaust. It is a stock 10 bolt, which I would have bet you wasn't correct. I thought all SSs came with 12 bolts, but the actual standard SS, the 10 bolt was the option on the 295 horse small block car. Not a big gear, like a 331, nothing crazy. Jack was spare. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. New fuel tank. See, the car's very nice underneath. Yeah, a little clear there on the door. Seats are nice. That car is pretty, guys. Good running small block, 400. Shoot. Yeah, we're gonna have to check the fuel gauge. Aftermarket, the gauge is all down there working, Jay.
Yeah, voltage, oil, and temp.
It's got a brand new fuel tank, so maybe the ground or something's. Backup lights work. Aftermarket radio works. Well, somehow.
It says disc.
I know all the blower motor and all
Yeah.
that stuff kicks on. And make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our new Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. There you go. Get out in that sunlight. You get a real good look at that car. Have a great day, guys.